Homemade vegan chocolate mousse cake with fresh strawberries and blueberries. Hey everyone, welcome back to Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today, we've got a sweet treat in store for you, a delicious homemade vegan chocolate mousse cake topped with fresh strawberries and blueberries. It's the perfect combination of rich chocolatey goodness and fruity freshness. So, let's dive right in. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups of chocolate sandwich cookies, vegan. Half cup melted vegan butter. 2 cups of cashews, soaked overnight. 1 cup of coconut cream. Half cup of maple syrup. 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pinch of salt. Fresh strawberries and blueberries for topping. Step 1, making the chocolate crust. Start by crushing the chocolate sandwich cookies in a food processor until they form fine crumbs. Transfer the crumbs to a bowl, add melted vegan butter, and mix until well combined. Press the mixture into the base of a cake pan to form a crust. Pop it into the fridge to set while we work on the chocolate mousse. Step 2, making the vegan chocolate mousse. In a blender, combine the soaked cashews, coconut cream, maple syrup, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Blend until smooth and creamy. Once the chocolate mousse is ready, pour it over the crust in the cake pan. Step 3, refrigeration. Pop the cake into the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 4 hours or overnight to set. Step 4, decorating with fresh berries. Once the cake has set, it's time to get creative with the toppings. I'm using fresh strawberries and blueberries for a burst of color and flavor. Arrange the berries in a visually pleasing pattern on top of the chocolate mousse. And there you have it, our vegan chocolate mousse cake with fresh strawberries and blueberries. It's a delightful dessert that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Certainly. Here are some benefits of indulging in homemade strawberry and blueberry vegan chocolate mousse cake. First benefit. Dairy-free delight. Homemade vegan chocolate mousse cake is entirely dairy-free, making it an excellent choice for individuals who are lactose intolerant, have dairy allergies, or follow a vegan lifestyle. Second benefit. Heart-healthy ingredients. The inclusion of plant-based ingredients like cashews and coconut cream contributes to a heart-healthy dessert. These ingredients contain healthier fats that can positively impact cholesterol levels. Third benefit. Nutrient-rich cashews. Cashews, a key component of the chocolate mousse, are rich in essential nutrients such as healthy fats, protein, and minerals like magnesium and zinc. Fourth benefit. Lower refined sugar content. Homemade recipes often allow for control over sugar content. By using natural sweeteners like maple syrup, you can reduce the reliance on refined sugars, promoting a dessert with a more balanced sweetness. Fifth benefit. Antioxidant-packed berries. Fresh strawberries and blueberries not only enhance the visual appeal but also bring a plethora of antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. These berries contribute to overall well-being and add a burst of freshness to the dessert. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Give it a try, and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much vegan chocolate mousse cake with fresh strawberries and blueberries lovers.